The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall!
Pick up yourself, who you are dealing with? Pick up yourself, like you weak. You see, pray, who are one people? The whole Florida, Broward, you see charge. Mama, you bring your little dance song, I'm glad to see you. You look away, look good and
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Seriousskilla. I'm here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I have more videos that I'm going to present to you, and I just presented to you a piece of an entire video that is out on social media. And according to what had been said on social media about the entire video that is out on social media, it is said that the entire video shows a lyrical confrontation between two persons who goes by the name of Pretti and Macka on stage somewhere within the world, you see? Now, what had happened, some persons might call it a clash that happened between Pretti and Macka, you see? Now, I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly where within the world this so-called clash happened between these two persons who goes by the name of Pretti and Macka, nor do I have any confirmed information as to exactly when this whole thing that is said to be a clash happened, you see me? But however, I take a look at the entire video that is out on social media, and in my point of view, I do not think this so-called clash went well or was so good. You see me I say? Now, some comments have been made about the entire video that's out on social media. You see me? Some of the comments gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that piece of the entire video shows when Pretti and Macka almost fight on stage. You see me? Some persons might say that Pretti and Macka almost had a physical altercation on stage. Alright? More comments have been made about the video on social media that gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that the clash was weak, and some of the comments gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that Macka did not do her songs properly. And some of the comments gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that Pretti did not do her songs properly. And some of the comments gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that Macka was doing this so-called clash good, while some persons are saying that Pretti did it good. And you know, some of the comments gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that both Macka and Pretti did not do this clash thing so good. You see what I say? Yeah, some persons on social media didn't even agree with the clash overall. But however, you know, the video is out on social media, and I just presented to you piece of the entire video that is out on social media that shows when Macka and Pretti had a lyrical confrontation. Now, that piece of the video that I just presented to you, it is said that that piece of the video shows when Pretti and Macka almost had a physical altercation, or it is said that they almost fight. Alright? Now, I present that piece of video to you so that you can have a look at it. You can also tell me what you think, and to also keep you up to date and post it and let you know what's going on. Alright? Now, with that, I'm going to move on to more videos, viewers and subscribers. Alright? Yeah, I'm going to present more videos to you right about now. Now, I'm going to put together and present to you pieces of videos that shows landslides that happened within a place that is known as Garden Town, that is within the parish known as St. Andrew, that is within the country known as Jamaica. You see? Now, I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly when these incidents happened, but however, according to how I understand some things that have been said on social media about these incidents, I get the understanding that these landslides happened because of recent rainfalls that happened within the year 2020 within the country of Jamaica. A few pieces of these videos also shows persons yelling and getting out of the way of pieces of the land that's coming from off of a hill. You see me? So please bear that in mind. Now, I'm going to present to you these pieces of videos so that you can have a look at these pieces of videos and so that you can have a better understanding about these incidents that I just talked about. You see me? And before I present these pieces of videos to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? Now here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen and observe.
This is very urgent in Gordon Town. The main road in Gordon Town is gone. Look at it. The main road is gone. The main road in Gordon Town is gone completely at this moment. Everything is gone. It's just a walking track they leave on the main road. We need National Work Agency emergency. We need Miss Wholeness. We need the Prime Minister. The main road in Gordon Town has gone.
Sorry, I'm not able to go live, but this is what the road look like at Gordon Town. This is immediately after you leave out of village. And it's breaking, it's breaking, it's breaking. And I'm talking about some massive stones are coming down. Look at this, look at that, look at that, look at that. Here it comes.
No, sir, this is judgment now. All of them people. Look at this, it is coming, it is coming. It is coming, it is coming, it is coming, it is coming. It is coming, it is coming, it is coming. It is coming like crazy. Wow, wow, look at this, it is coming. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Oh my God. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God, look at that.
Now viewers and subscribers, I got no confirmed information about any form of fatalities or anyone who got injured due to these landslides. You understand me? No. But however, I'm only telling you this to my knowledge. So therefore, there might be other informations out there about these incidents that happened. You understand me? But I'm telling you what I know. Alright? So please bear in mind that there might be different and more informations out there about these incidents. Alright. Now I'm going to move on to another video right about now. But before I present this video to you, I want to send a shout out to a person who said that he goes by the name of Dwayne Blake, aka Gully. You see it? Dwayne, big up yourself. This video had been brought to my attention by the person who said that he goes by the name of Dwayne. You see me? And according to some things that Dwayne said, and according to the video, I get the understanding that Dwayne is trying to let me see what it looks like after rainfall flooded an area somewhere within the country of Jamaica. You see me? So I'm presenting this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can also take a look at it and you can also tell me what you think about this video that I'm about to present to you. Alright? Now, as I'm about to present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Yes, brother, this is Rolling River. The Rolling River always. By to crayfish pot control, right? That's all it come away, that's it. Vroom.
Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. You don't know me, Dancehall Skill. I'm only here to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright? Now I brought these pieces of videos to you so that you can have a look at these videos and you can also tell me what you think and so on. Alright? Yeah. So here's where I'm going to leave it now. Until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Seriousskilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know what you watch?